Welcome to this complete explanation of gas chromatography, also known as GC. Gas chromatography is an advanced analytical technique used for the separation, identification, and quantification of volatile and semi-volatile compounds. It is widely used in pharmaceutical industry, environmental, food, and research laboratories. The principle of gas chromatography is based on the distribution of compounds between a mobile phase and a stationary phase. The mobile phase is an inert carrier gases such as helium, nitrogen, or hydrogen. The stationary phase is a thin coating inside the column. Different compounds travel at different speeds depending on their volatility and interaction with the stationary phase. Component of GC instrument. A GC chromatograph consists of several important components. First, the carrier gas supply system provides a continuous flow of inert gases. Second, the injector introduces the sample into the instrument. Third, the oven controls the temperature of the column. Fourth, the column performs separation of different compounds. Finally, the detector. Detector detects separated compounds and converts them into electrical signals. Sample injection and vaporization. During analysis, a small amount of sample is injected into the heated injector port. The sample is immediately vaporized and carried into the column by the carrier gas. Separation inside the column. Inside the column, different compounds interact differently with the stationary phase. Compounds with lower interaction move faster and elute earlier, while compounds with stronger interaction take more time to come out. This time is called retention time. Detection and chromatogram. After separation, compounds reach the detector. The detector converts the chemical information into electrical signals. The data system processes these signals and produces a chromatogram. Retention time helps in identification, while peak area used for quantification. Types of GC detectors. Several detectors are used in gas chromatography. FID, flame ionization detector, is commonly used for organic compounds. Thermal conductivity detector, or TCD, is a universal detector. GCMS combines gas chromatography with mass spectrometry for highly specific identification. Pharmaceutical applications. In pharmaceutical industry, gas chromatography is mainly used for residual solvent testing, impurity profiling, identification of volatile compound, and assay and quality control testing. It plays an important role in ensuring the safety and quality of pharmaceutical products. Conclusion is that gas chromatography is one of the most powerful analytical techniques because of its high sensitivity, accuracy, and ability to separate complex mixtures. Understanding GC principle and instrumentation is essential for every analytical scientist. Thanks for watching.